Alright, so this is going to be an item installation and review of these TESSTUDIO CTmods door handles. So these are the Cybertruck door handles, okay? So they sent me these to review. Also, if you were to order, I guess $100 worth of stuff or more, then you get them for free. I have a coupon code right now for Black Friday, 30% off. Alright, so they come in these little baggies in the box. Let's go ahead and take them out. Alright, so you get 4 of those. You also get some adhesive, what is this? Adhesive promoter. Okay, so it helps it stick to the door better. Alright, you get 2 of those pads, it seems, and some instructions here. So you get these 2 adhesive promoter packets and then instructions. Pretty much you just clean your door and then stick it on. So they kind of show you here how you would stick it on there. Okay. And yeah, there's not really much to it. Pretty simple. Okay, so that's it. Comes with those. All right, so let's get to installing it. All right, so they do have 4 different ones. So there's the FL, which is the front left. You got the FR, or sorry, the RL, which is the rear left. All right, and then you got obviously the right and the side. Okay, and then you got the front right, FR, all right, and the rear right, which is RR. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is wipe down the surface, and then we're gonna place them on. So I'm gonna show you the whole thing. I'm gonna wipe it down with a little rubbing alcohol to make it cleaner. We got 91% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. We're gonna go to the front one. Obviously, you can stick it on like a little higher, a little lower if you want. There's no exact specific mounting point for this. Okay. So let's go ahead and get it cleaned up. All right, let me get a piece of paper towel here, fold it up. Second, stuff's rolling around. Okay, so we get a little isopropyl rubbing alcohol. We'll just put it on the paper towel, and then we'll go ahead and wipe this down. I'm going to do the same thing on the rear door so I can do them both at the same time. Okay, so just clean that up. Of course, you want to see where you're going to mount it. So the way it mounts here, did I grab the wrong one? This is, sorry, the rear. Give me a second. All right, so the way you want the handle to go is like this. So you can grab this and use that to pull the door shut. Okay, so we cleaned it up already. Let's go ahead and clean up the rear one as well. Okay, so here's the rear side. You can see it has a different texture here. Hopefully it's not going to be affected by the edge guard I put on there. So I put this like edge bumper here. That way if I open the door into something, it won't damage the other object, and it won't damage my wrap. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. All right, and then let it dry. Look at that, it's pretty gross. If you want, you can use a clean side and then do the same thing just to make sure. Okay, you can see it's still a little gross. All right, so let's go ahead now and get the other side. So we got this is the rear left one, so it goes like that. You can actually see the shape here. It has a little cutout groove there. So if you put it all the way up, it'll be kind of weird. You can put it a little lower here so that it matches with this little area here, okay? And it also depends how tall you are. You can put it lower if you want, okay? It doesn't have to be all the way up there. It's just whatever you feel is more comfortable for grabbing. So if I were to grab this, I feel it's better here, but if you have like shorter people that are gonna grab your door, you might wanna put it a little lower, okay? So keep that in mind. You don't have to put it all the way up. You just put it wherever you feel is comfortable. Okay, so I don't know, a lot of people like to grab the top portion of the door, so I'm just gonna put it higher. Okay, so there's 2 little things for the adhesive. You're gonna peel those off. Okay, might be a little tricky. Let's see here. Okay, this stuff can be a little tricky because this adhesive is very strong, and you can see it's actually even sticking to the whatchamacall. It sticks to this release stuff. So this can be really tough. You can probably use like a needle or something to make it easier to get out. I don't even think you really need the adhesive promoter stuff, but we'll put it just in case, okay, to make sure it gets a really good grip. So we'll peel all this. Jeez, see how difficult it is to get this stuff off? So this is the hard part. Just so you know, if you're working on this and you can't get it out, don't worry. We probably all had this issue. Okay, so there we go. We got that out. I'm gonna set that over here for now. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Okay, and let me get the adhesive promoter. So we got this. It only has 2, so you gotta work somewhat quick. All right, it looks like there's a tear spot there. Okay, so get that. Wow, that smells strong. Okay. What is that chemical in there? Okay, so we have this pad, and we're just gonna wipe this area here like this. Okay, I can actually see it getting wet. Smells like a paint thinner or something. Okay, it didn't say to let it dry or anything, so we're just gonna stick it on. I'm gonna line it up with that, and we're gonna stick this on here. Okay, so just get that, push it on. So you need to push it against the door both ways into the corner. Okay, I need to quickly do the other door because I don't know how long this adhesive promoter thing, if it's gonna dry up, and then it will be an issue. So there we go, we got that one on. Let's go ahead and wipe this side as well with that. Okay, just wipe it up and down. Whoa, don't drop it. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and get the other. Thing is, I should have undone the adhesive on both of these. Now this is going to be a pain, right? Okay, let's go ahead and peel this off. Also, if you're wondering, the L is the driver's side and the R is the passenger side. I don't know why they don't say passenger and driver, because it's confusing. If you're looking at the vehicle, you don't know which side's left. It depends on how you're looking at the vehicle, right? So, all right, yeah, see, this adhesive stuff is really hard to peel off, so it might be easier if you use like a little needle or something. It's just tearing itself. Jeez, come on, let go. See, yeah, this stuff is difficult to remove from the adhesive. This adhesive is super gooey. Texture wise, it's almost like the what's that adhesive called, that stuff that one dude slaps on that water tank, Flex something. Okay, Flex Seal. All right, anyways, look how difficult it is to get this stuff separated. Oh my goodness, by the time I get this off, that chemical, I don't know if it's okay if it dries up, but this thing is very difficult to separate here. Come on, let go. See, this is not easy to get out. They need to make a little tab that you can pull on, but I guess they just cut the adhesive, so they can't really add a tab there. I don't know. But look, I can't even get this thing off. Okay, there we go. Got a portion of it. Okay, so there we go. Let's go ahead and stick this one on. I didn't test how high to do this one, so I probably should have checked that first. So we'll probably go about there. Let me close the other door so it's not in my way, and we'll probably do it like around there. Okay, so there we go. Stick that on. Make sure to push it on all the way. Very simple. Okay, and there we go. So let me show you on the first door that we did. Okay, since that one had more time to sit on there. So here's the little handle. I probably should have checked and then made them like completely lined up, because one's probably higher than the other, but it doesn't matter. All right, so here we go. This is what it looks like. And you have this now, instead of grabbing your door, which people are worried about fingerprints, but since I have the wrap, it's not as big of a deal. You can still see fingerprints, but now you have this, you can shut it like that. All right, and then we got the driver's side, same thing. You see that? We got the little handle there. You just grab that and shut it like that. Very nice and simple. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully that helped you out. And then also, when you open the door, if you want, you can also grab into this little pocket here and open the door with that. Okay, so that's pretty much it. As for removing it, you're probably going to have to use some kind of string or something to get behind there, and then use that string to cut through the adhesive, because I don't know how else you're going to get that off. That's going to be a pain if you need to remove it. So that's pretty much it. Again, hopefully that helped. I'm going to install the other side, but yeah, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.